Guruji's birth and family. Guruji is the divine light that came on earth to bless and enlighten humanity. Guruji was born in his mortal avatar as Nirmal Singh Maharaj on the 7th of July 1954 in the Dugri village at Malerkotla, Sangrur district, Punjab, India. Guruji was born into a humble family. This family had always been blessed by the birth of saints and fakirs through generations. But according to Mataji, Guruji's mother, she had no idea that a Mahapurush of such a high level would be born to her. According to the midwife, the day Guruji was born, she saw a snake and a strange kind of a bright light fill up the room. When the Pandit priest prepared the birth chart, he clearly told Mataji that this child is not just hers but belongs to the entire world. Even as a little baby, there was a fragrance in his urine and he never soiled his clothes. As a young boy, he was often found in the fields sitting in samadhi meditation, completely unfazed by the burning sun or strong rains. His classmates would often make fun of him since he never seemed to enjoy the kind of things they did. By this time his parents realized that their son was no ordinary person but God himself. Even his mother started touching his feet and calling him Guruji, as he was now called by everyone. Guruji left his village and home in 1975 as reported by his classmate, and after college he briefly worked for the Punjab School Education Board in its field office at Sangrur as a clerical assistant in 1983. Guruji told us that by the age of 8, he had full control over all his desires. He devoted all his time to meditation. After some time he left home to fulfill his spiritual journey in this world. He would often appear in the house of one of his acquaintances, stay for a few days and then move off to wherever he felt and even disappear for days at a stretch. No matter where he stayed, people thronged to him for deliverance from disease or any other problem they had. Soon the news of his powers spread all across Punjab and people sought him out no matter where he was. Guruji's father never believed nor liked Guruji's way of life. He thought his son was just pretending to be a godman, until a day in Jalandhar temple, when in the early hours he woke up to a strange sound. He saw Guruji walk into a room with a big lion behind him. He got scared and woke up the caretakers only to be told that that particular room is locked and that Guruji is sitting in meditation. After that day, Guruji's father understood that his son was no ordinary human being and that he was special.